Please give me a good and a very joyful response. A very good morning to all of you, dear parents. Let's count together backwards 3, 2, 1 so that we can unveil the screens and show you this year's annual day celebration theme. Let's do it together. 3, 2, 1. Let's give a huge round of applause, dear ladies and gentlemen, as we have somebody from the backstage unveiling the screens to present to you this year's annual day celebration theme, which happens to be Smiles and Sparkles. A sparkling welcome to all of you, dear parents, teachers, and my dearest beloved students to the annual day celebration. Today we have gathered here to witness Bachpan JP Nagar 4th phase and Dollars Colony with Akshay Nagar School's annual day celebration, where our little Bachpanites are all ready to mesmerize you with their dashing performances. It is my further request, dear ladies and gentlemen, to ensure that your phones are on the switched off or on the silent mode after this picture. I'm delighted to announce that Bachpan Play School is celebrating its 21 plus years of legacy and 16 plus years of AHPS, our formal schooling. Bachpan, a play school, is one of the most successful preschools with its head office at Delhi. It has a pan-India presence and also an international footprint by having 4 schools in Nepal and upcoming schools in Sri Lanka and the United Arab Emirates. The journey of Bachpan Play School began back in the year 2004 by Mr. S.K. Gupta in the name of SK Educations Private Limited. And today we are proud to have around 1,300 plus branches nationwide with over 3 lakh students with us. Speaking of success, dear ladies and gentlemen, we have around 90 branches operational in Karnataka alone, and we're also proud to have a band of 150 plus Academic Heights Public School. And I'm super excited to announce the launch of AHPS at Vartur, Bengaluru, which stands as a benchmark in providing quality education, offering primary to secondary education on a sprawling 3-acre campus. With a perfect blend of academics, extracurricular activities, and cutting-edge technology, AHPS ensures holistic development of every child. Bachpan also has a university called the Rishihood University, and our school is always committed to in-depth research across all aspects of education system. At Bachpan, our main goal is to provide the best early education for every child. To meet the needs of the 21st century, Bachpan has also launched the Sprout curriculum, and we are proud that Bachpan is the first play school that is officially aligned with NEP 2020 and NCF 2022 guidelines. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the pioneers in introducing advanced tech tools for the preschool learning segment in India, like the Speako Pen, the Price Smart Classes, virtual reality, RoboTime, and 360-degree application for parents and our cute little Bachpanites. Talking about awards and accolades, Bachpan Play School in Karnataka has been recently recognized for its excellence in the preschool education, securing the 2nd rank in the top franchise model and parental involvement by the Times Preschool Survey 2025. Let's give a huge round of applause, dear ladies and gentlemen, for backing up this award and having the legacy for 21 plus years. Without further ado, let's take a moment to acknowledge the powerful symbol of the lighting of the lamp ceremony, as it represents the triumph of knowledge over ignorance and spark that ignites wisdom. To do the honors, dear ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Shri Yashwant Gowda, Regional Director, Bachpan Play Schools, Karnataka, to kindly come up onto the dais for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I will also extend my heartfelt welcome to Mr. Jagannath Shastri and Mrs. Lakshmi Deepti, Directors, Akshay Nagar Branch, and Ms. Amrita Krishna and Ms. Sahana Ramesh, Directors, JP Nagar, 4th phase, Dollars Colony, to kindly come up onto the dais for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I will request the dignitaries to kindly remain on the dais, and I would also request the parents to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, parents. You may now be seated. Thank you, dignitaries, for doing the honors. Put your hands to the kids who have heartfully welcomed all of us. We hope forward to keep up the promise and encourage them throughout the show. Please put your hands together and welcome the UKG kids of the Akshay Nagar branch. Teachers, please bring the students forward. On stage, we shall have Abhyarchi, Manyu, Nishita and Tatpara. Yes, children, you can start. Thank you, dear children, for helping us invoke God's blessings. You can go backstage. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome the UKG kids of the Akshay Nagar branch. And the participants on stage are Arav Pandey, Arav Jitendra, Abhyarchi, Anish, Avishka, Avyan, Ashvika, Chirasvi, Devi Nini, Satvik, Aira Patil, Kushan, Lakshmi Gayatri, Dinesh, Manyu, Nishchita, Prahita Shri, Samved Vijay Hegde, and Tatpara KP.
Good morning, everyone. We are from Bachpan, Akshayanagar. This year is gone by little faster. I'm feeling a little bit smarter. I think a little bit taller. My shoes is a little bit smaller. Look at all friends I made. These memories will never fade. I am proud of me and all that I can be. Watch and you will see. I'm on my way. I'm kinder, I'm smarter. I'm on my way. I'm braver, I'm stronger. I'm on my way. Watch me the best that I can be. I'm on my way. My brain is little bit stronger. My hair is little bit long. Teacher, my teeth are little bit louder. My heart is a little bit lighter. Look at all friends I need. These memories will never fade. I am one again and all I can be. Watch and you will see. I'm on my way. I'm kinder,
Let's give a huge round of applause, dear ladies and gentlemen, for this UKG kids. I'm sure they were not in rhythm at least, but every child enjoyed. The child was trying to sing, and everybody completed their so-called practice. The deliverance was amazing. Let's give a huge round of applause for them. We shall now go ahead with the graduation. The directors to please join Yashwant sir on the dais for the graduating ceremony.
तुम्हारे रोका 5 मिनट में बाइक ऑटो कार गो फ्री यार रैपिडो
Directors, are we ready? Please put your hands together and welcome Arav Pandey, dear ladies and gentlemen, the first graduating child from Akshay Nagar School. Arav is a self-aware child, an impressively self-aware student who's able to report on his own progress and seeks out help if he's not sure about what has to be done. Let's welcome Arya Jitendra. The next student is Arya. Let's welcome Arya Jitendra, who is a super dedicated student, also a good communicator and has a strong interest and dedication in learning. Let's welcome Abhyarchi Sahu, an active learner who tries to get her hands on all the experiences in the class with herself and also accepts all the tasks with enthusiasm. Let's welcome Anish Shaurya onto the dais, dear ladies and gentlemen, an ambitious student who pushes himself to meet his personal goals. Always best at whatever he does, he accepts everything that is given to him. Let's welcome Ashvika Ashish, a very disciplined student of the class who sets up priorities and goals to herself and does not need any push to achieve them. She is also a very good listener and always eager to acquire knowledge. Let's welcome Avyan Badoria, a smart and organized student who works at a very neatest level, who keeps his place tidy and also takes pride in completing the tasks. Let's welcome Chirasvi, a very responsible student who completes all the assigned works on times and follow the rules very sincerely. Let's welcome Devineni Satvik on the dais, an enthusiastic student who approaches activities with energy, curiosity and confidence. Let's welcome Ira Patil, a determined student who shows perseverance and strong will to succeed. Let's welcome Kushan Sirvi, a dynamic student who brings enthusiasm, creativity, and responds confidently to new situations. Let's welcome Lakshmi Gayatri Dinesh, a versatile student who adapts easily to different tasks and learning situations. Let's welcome Manu Ji, an assertive student who participates actively and communicates through clear vision. Let's welcome Nishita, a tenacious student who always has a strong commitment in achieving the learning goals. Let's welcome Prahita Shri, a focused student who completes her work carefully and on purpose time. Let's welcome Samved Vijay Hekde on dais, dear ladies and gentlemen, an industrious student who works diligently and puts his consistent effort in every task. Let's welcome Tatpara KP, a proactive student who takes initiative and engages in learning without waiting to be prompted. Thank you, directors, for doing the honors. Thank you, Yashwant sir, for doing the honors. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, the graduating batch of the academic year 25-26 of the Akshay Nagar School. Together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome the playgroup kids of the Akshay Nagar School. And the participants shall be Anika, Jay, Janvi Adya, Vrindavali, Kruparth, Sahana, Srinidhi, Shrishti, Chakrabarti. Let's have the music.
Make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, the big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing we will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. Rock you. Rock you. Rock you. Rock you. Rock you, rock
Let's give them a huge round of applause, dear ladies and gentlemen. We will really have to acknowledge they are the youngest of all, the super juniors in the school who is hardly like 2.5 to max 3 years old. It is a very, very, very big achievement because we at that age were only sleeping. Together and welcome the nursery kids of the Akshay Nagar. Can I have some volume, Mahantesh? The participants shall be Advika, Akshara, Anuti, Arvi, Ashrit, Bhavagnya, Chitrangsh, Devansh Rao, Juvia and Kshetra Ranganath, Nirisha Rao, Nirisha S. Rao, Nirusha S. Rao, Krishna Datta, Tikshna and Vikram Madhav.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ జాను ఈ రాజంగ్ నీనే కుయిను ముద్దాద లేడీ డాను ఇడి ఏరియా బ్యూటీ నీను కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ జాను ఈ రాజంగ్ నీనే కుయిను ముద్దాద లేడీ డాను ఇడి ఏరియా బ్యూటీ నీను ದೇವರೇ ಇವಳು ಚಂದಿರನ ಕೊನೆ ಮಗಳೇ ದೇವರೇ ಇವಳು ಇಂದಿರನ ಊರಿನವಳೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡುತ್ತೂಲ ಗೋರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಹೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಗಾರಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ತೂರಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ನಂಬಾರಿ 13 ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ
எஞ்சாமி தந்தானே எல்லாமே எஞ்சாமி தந்தானே எனக்கும் தந்தானே எல்லாமே உனக்கும் தந்தானே ஏ எஞ்சாமி தந்தானே எல்லாமே எஞ்சாமி தந்தானே தென்னையும் தந்தானே காத்தார திண்ணையும் தந்தானே நிம்மதி நெஞ்சுக்கு தூரம்னு சொன்னது யாருன்னு கூறு புள்ள சாமிக்கு நீ வேறு நான் வேறு இல்ல பூமிக்கு யாருமே பாரம் இல்ல ஏத்த வச்சான் எழுத வச்சான் பாட்ட வச்சான் படிக்க வச்சான் மேகம் வச்சான் மழைய வச்சான் விளைய வச்சானே ஏத்த வச்சான் எழுத வச்சான் பாட்ட வச்சான் படிக்க வச்சான் மேகம் வச்சான் மழைய வச்சான் விளைய வச்சானே ஏ எஞ்சாமி தந்தானே எல்லாமே எஞ்சாமி தந்தானே எனக்கும் தந்தானே எல்லாமே உனக்கும் தந்தானே
ஓஹோ லா 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 ஓஹோ லா 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 ఆ చంద్రుల్లో ముక్క చారిందేది నక్క నా ఒళ్ళంతా ఆడిందే తైతక్క దీనందాలో తిక్క దీనేశాలో తిక్క నా గుండెల్లో పొత్తాందే ఉక్క ఓ చికిరి 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 పడతా 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 వెనకే పడతా సరుకు సమాను చూసి నీ సొల్లేసి ఏసేకే కా చికిరి చికిరి గుండె సురకెట్టేశాక ముందు వెనక ఈడే గాలి కొక్కేసిందే పిల్ల చికిరి చికిరి అడుగుల మచ్చైందెల్ల ఆ చంద్రులో ముక్క చారిందది నక్క నా ఒళ్ళంతా ఆడిందే తైతక్క
Let's give them a huge round of applause, dear ladies and gentlemen. It was amazing to watch this energetic performance. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the LKG kids of the Akshayanagar School. On stage, we shall have Anvita, Ashwat Sriram, Divyanshi, Joel Maria, Pradesh, Minali, Nehal, Parnika, Prashast, Shivam Narayan Hange, Shriyansh Rajesh Pawar, Shriyansh Kumar, Tanishka Anand, Vaishnavi, Virag, Vivan and Yukta S. Yadav.
ಎದೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಗಿಟ್ಟಾರು ಡಿಂಗ್ 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 ಅನ್ನುತ್ತೆ ಇವಳೆದುರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಎದೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಗಿಟ್ಟಾರು ಡಿಂಗ್ 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 ಅನ್ನುತ್ತೆ ಇವಳೆದುರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಬಾರೆ ಬಾರೆ ಬಾರೆ
ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನೋರುಂಟೆ ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಹುಡುಗನ್ನ ದೂರ ಹೋಗೋರುಂಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕಿ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನ ಕಿಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಜೋಡಿ ನಾನು ನೀನು
जीना जीना यहाँ मरना मरना यहाँ लाइफ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು ಹಿಂದೆಟ್ಟ ರಾಜ್ಯ ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಘೋಡ ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡು ನೋಡು ಲೈಫು ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಊರಿಗೆ ಊರೇ ಬೀಳಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಸು ಆಸೆ ಕೂದಲು ನಾಚಲೆ ತು ನಾಚಲೆ
ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು ತಂದೆ ಎಟ್ಟು ಪಕ್ಕ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಬೀಟು ಈಗ ಡಪಾಂಗುಚಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ Let's start the local dance. All the Apu fans ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ local dance. ಶಕ್ತಿಮಾನು ಛೋಟ ಭೀಮು ನಿನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು ನೀನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು
ಅಪ್ಪ ಜೇನ್ಸು ಬಾಂಡು ಮಗ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡು ಸೌಂಡು ಬಂದ ಕಾಶ್ನೂರ್ ಗಂಡು
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, we all love you, Baba Star.
Dance, 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 Apu dance, 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 Apu dance, 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 Apu dance, dance, dance.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star, we all love you, Baba Star.
Dance, 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 Apu dance, 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 Apu dance, 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 Apu dance, dance, dance.
The response says it all. Let's give a huge round of applause for these kids for giving such a beautiful tribute to our beloved Apu sir. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome the UKG kids of the Akshayanagar branch. And the participants are Arav, Aira, Abhyarchi, Anish, Ashvika, Avyan, Chirasvi, Satvik, Aira Patil, Kushant Sirvi, Lakshmi Gayatri Dinesh, Manyu, Nishchita, Prahita, Samved, and Tatspara.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच कितनी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तू नहीं है बात न मानी
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 पानी
ऑलरेडी उशिरा आला यू डोंट इवन लव मी कसली रे कमी सांगू का मम्मीला तू बनतो शाणा माझी सासू तुझी मदर ए माझी होणारी हमसफर आय लाईक युअर ब्युटी आय लाईक युअर फॅशन तुझ्यावर थांबून आहे माझी नजर एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते
आया हूँ आज मैं लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा
तेरी ही बातों ने तो मुलाकातों ने जीना मुझसे मेरा है जिया
मुकाला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला
Let's give them a huge round of applause. It was a fantastic performance, dear ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome Manu of UKG Akshay Nagar, who is coming forward to deliver us the vote of thanks. Can we have Manu, please?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manyu. I'm studying in UKG at Bachpan Akshay Nagar. I'm happy to stand here today. First of all, I thank our Bachpan Regional Director Ashwant sir for coming and blessing us. Next, I thank our Bachpan JP Nagar Directors Amrita Ma'am and Sanamal for their love and support. Next, I thank our Bachpan Akshay Nagar Director Lakshmi Deepti Ma'am for coming and taking care of us and our school. Next, I thank our teachers for teaching us and helping us for today's program. Next, I thank our parents and guests for coming and encouraging us. Thank you for making this day special. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Manu, for giving us such a beautiful vote of thanks. It was amazing to have you with us today. It's now time for us to officially bid a goodbye for this year's annual day celebration, dear ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I would like to take the opportunity to thank our Regional Director, Shri Yashwant Gowda, sir, for making this event a grand success by organizing all the schools' annual days. Thank you to the directors of both the branches, JP Nagar and Akshay Nagar, for putting in your tireless efforts and making this event a grand success. Thank you, dear parents, grandparents, siblings, and cousins who are here, who have been here, graced the occasion. Without your energy and positivity, I'm sure the entire event wouldn't have been a complete one. Let's give a big round of applause for you, dear parents. It was because of you that we were able to put up a good show. Thank you to the little Bachpanites who were the stars of the day. What amazing performances. How beautifully they performed. Let's give a huge round of applause for these aspiring stars who are going to really come out in flying colors in the days to come. Thank you to the graduating batch and hardest wishes to all these children who are going to go ahead for the formal schooling in the years to come. Thank you to the management of JSS Auditorium for giving us this beautiful space to conduct this event. Thank you to the members of the event management team, Mr. Mahantesh and his entire team for giving us this beautiful setup and the backdrop. A big thanks and shout out to Mr. Karthik and team for capturing his lovely videos and photos through his videography and photography. And I hope that you all have enjoyed the show, dear ladies and gentlemen. I, Purnima, takes the opportunity to close the show for this academic year, hoping forward to see you all next year with more amazing performances and more memories to take back home. Thank you. Jai Hind.